On today's Make with Bunmo, we are going to make an elephant. Hi. Okay, so the first thing we need is a balloon. So I'm going to try and blow this balloon up. You might need to get a grown-up to help you tie a knot in it. Okay, so I've got my balloon. Now I'm going to cover my balloon with bits of kitchen roll or tissue paper. You could use normal paper, so I'm going to cut it up into little strips. Just like we did with the mini beasts. And like the mini beasts, you can choose. I've got the flour and the water, or I've got glue. So I'm going to use the flour and the water because I've got more of that. I'm going to cover my balloon with the flour and the water, and I'm going to stick my tissue on, and then I'm going to go over the top. Okay, so I've done one layer, then I'm going to leave that to dry for a couple of hours. Then I'll probably do another 2 or 3 layers on that to make it nice and thick and strong. Okay, so we'll leave that to dry. Okay, so it's all hard now. We've done a couple of more layers. So now I'm going to pop the balloon inside. If you pop a pin through. Oh! Made a funny noise. And then I'm going to paint it. I'm going to have a blue elephant. So I'm going to paint it blue. Okay, so I've done half of it, so I'm going to leave that to dry. Okay, so while that's drying, I'm going to make all the bits to go on the elephant. Now, if you've got big googly eyes, you could put googly eyes on. So we can just draw some eyes. I'll make some eyes for my elephant. And then I'm going to make some ears. So I'm going to put my 2 bits of paper together because I'm a bit lazy, so I do it all at once. And then we're going to go out, and then we're going to go round to make big ears. So this is going to be the little flap so we can stick it on. I've got 2 ears. I'm going to make a little bit to go inside. Make a little bit like that to go inside. Glue that in the middle. There we go. They're my ears. Then I'm going to make a trunk. So I'm going to do a round and round spiral on my piece of paper. And then I'm going to cut out my spiral. Okay, there's my little elephant trunk. Better cut out his eyes. There we go. And I'll do 2 tusks as well. Oh, and a smiley mouth. He's going to need a smiley mouth, isn't he? Do a smiley mouth. Okay, so we're ready to stick all of these onto our balloon now.